Hello, book readers, teacher, parents, and caregivers. Welcome to Booklead Storytime Adventures. My name is Elion, and this is the story time.
Good dad.
Okay, so my next book, I'm going to read another Elephant and Piggy book. This one I really like because Gerald is exceptional loud sneezer, and I am too, because one of the family, Gerald is exceptional loud sneezer. I hear Gerald's pain. Without further ado, I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Let's go on to it. Let's go. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Then I can stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you're trying to sneeze more softly? Sorry. Then if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. And Piggy's also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Have you enjoyed this video? Thanks for giving a subscribe. I will do this one today, not tomorrow. Let's go on. I love this book for 2 days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the story. When you did, I know when the story takes the place. Let's do some another one elephant and piggy books.